Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a shy girl named Mia. Mia loved books more than anything else in the world. Every day after school, she would rush to the local library, a quaint old building with dusty shelves and a mysterious charm. The librarian, Mrs. Thompson, always welcomed her with a warm smile and a knowing wink. One rainy afternoon, as Mia explored the library's hidden corners, she stumbled upon a door she had never noticed before. It was slightly ajar, and a faint light flickered from within. Curiosity bubbled inside her, and she pushed the door open. To her amazement, she found herself in a magical library unlike any she had ever seen. The walls were lined with books that shimmered, and each book seemed to hum with energy. Mia picked up a book that glowed brighter than the others. As she opened it, a whirlwind of colorful lights enveloped her, and before she knew it, she was transported into the story. She found herself in a vibrant forest filled with talking animals and enchanting creatures. A wise old owl perched on a branch greeted her. "Welcome, Mia. You have entered the land of stories. Each book here holds a world waiting for you," the owl said, his eyes twinkling. Mia couldn't believe her ears. "Can I really explore any story I choose?" she asked, her heart racing with excitement. "Absolutely, but remember, every story teaches a lesson. Choose wisely," the owl advised before flying off. With a determined spirit, Mia decided to dive into her first adventure. She picked a book about a brave knight and opened it. Suddenly, she found herself in a medieval kingdom, where dragons roamed the skies and castles towered above. As she wandered through the kingdom, Mia met a knight named Sir Cedric, who was on a quest to rescue a captured princess. Inspired by his bravery, Mia decided to help him. Together, they faced daunting challenges, from navigating treacherous forests to outsmarting a cunning dragon. With each challenge, Mia grew more confident, realizing that she had courage within her. After a series of thrilling adventures, they finally reached the dragon's lair. Mia stood tall beside Sir Cedric as they devised a clever plan to distract the dragon. Using her quick thinking, Mia created a diversion with a reflective shield, allowing Sir Cedric to sneak in and rescue the princess. As they celebrated their victory, the princess thanked Mia for her bravery. "You have the heart of a hero," she said, her eyes shining with gratitude. Mia felt a warmth in her chest, knowing she had made a difference. When Mia returned to the magical library, she was buzzing with excitement. She couldn't wait to explore more stories. She chose a book about a clever detective next. Instantly, she found herself in a bustling city, solving mysteries alongside a witty detective named Lucy. Together, they pieced together clues and caught a thief, using their keen observations and teamwork. With every story she experienced, Mia learned valuable lessons about friendship, bravery, and the importance of believing in herself. After what felt like hours of adventure, she realized it was time to return home. As she closed the last book, the library shimmered, and the owl appeared once more. "Welcome back, Mia. You have embraced the magic of stories," he said proudly. "Remember, you carry these lessons with you, wherever you go." Mia nodded, feeling empowered. "I never knew books could be so magical. I want to share these adventures with others." With a knowing smile, the owl replied, "Then use your words, and the magic will continue." From that day on, Mia transformed her experiences into stories she shared with her friends and family. She found her voice and grew more confident with each tale. The library became her second home, a place where she could escape into new worlds and emerge stronger and wiser. And so, the shy girl who once hid behind books became a storyteller, inspiring others to discover the magic of reading and the courage within themselves. The magical library remained a special place, filled with adventures waiting to unfold, and Mia knew she would always return to explore its endless wonders. In the end, she learned that stories have the power to change lives, and every adventure begins with the turn of a page.